SSM is enabled. So now as Safra approaches to the robot stops when it reaches the distances, okay? And she will go further. Now it's in the light, the yellow zone, so the robot moves, but slowly, okay? Now it's in red, the robot stopped, okay? So we also implementing a window filter in order to, in case of the quick changes in the mode happens very quickly, we need to ensure that the highest we make more, we stand a higher priority for the stop than the solo or run. So that's the reason why it takes sometimes to run the robot again. This is something that it's under control. Okay. So maybe you experience some delay, but it is the window filter. Okay. Yeah, for multiple people. So yeah. Yes, if I now it's in yellow, if I approach to the robot stops and it's detecting two people. Okay. So yes, as I mentioned, it's also important that in an open space like this, to have a multiple person detection. Okay. Maybe one of you can try to approach to the robot and see if it works. No, in principle, no, it's not. No, but yes, because you you need to be visible by the two cameras. So this area is not is an occlusion. So if you go like in this way. Okay, now now it's in yellow. Now it's in red. Now yellow again, and now it's green. Okay. Go, approach, and now it's red. Okay, I think it's enough for demonstrate this technology.
Okay, so now the next application is the hand guiding, and now I will be able to move the robot with the hands. So first we are going to program a trajectory, and then we can move the robot with freedom. So so now I can grasp the robot, and without applying a lot of effort, we can here program some trajectory. And I'm also pressing this button. So now the robot will go to the picking position that I put. And in this case, it should be moving a lot. And now, for example, you can move the robots with your hand. And if you have some load attached, you should be able to move that. So it is quite useful for the operators that to avoid to move the loads. So I don't know if some of you want to try this system. You can enter so no, you rest them and you don't have to do a lot of effort. No, you can move it. And pressing this button, you change the velocity of the. See, I'm going to stop it. So you change the velocity of the system. Hmm? Hmm. Is it, and if you press this, it will change the speed. The- Voy a parar. Está en fallo. Hmm. Ese, yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Sí, porque tengo aquí el hombre muerto. Pero podrías también pulsarlo. Hmm. Si quieres, suelta. Hmm. Hmm. Sí, con este cambias la velocidad. Hmm. 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 Yeah. You rest it, you can start moving the robot. It's so smooth as you can. I'm going to stop this. Yeah, thank you. It's 60 kilograms. The whole system, yes. Yeah. It's one side only. It has these switches that you move it and you enable or disable the magnet. So it only works with that. Then in the hardware side, here is the camera with the protective element and the cutting machine, and this would be all. So now here in the application, you have this window that will let you to change the position of the cat and things. And then we can press only one button and launch all the application. And here it is, put the camera, or come here if you want. And here you can see what the camera is seeing right now. So we can start the reconstruction process. So now the robot taking into reference position, the initial position, it will move 10 degrees to the one side and to the other. And depending on the scenario, we can change this type of movement. So now we have here the reconstruction. And now it will open the interaction window to select more or less the position of the camera. So here the user will select this is working slow. So more or less this should be the position of the camera. And now we can start with the refinement. Yes. So here you can see it's a little bit bad. So we should have to repeat it again. And now here as I connected remotely to other PC is working slow. Yeah. Sí. And now here, once we have all the localization, the robot is moving to the wall, and it will take a capture, detect the plane, extract the points, and now we can here you can visualize the plane of the wall, and now it can execute the cut. This is all the application. So now we are going to launch again the process of going to the wall and then perform the simulation of the cut. So now it's moving to detect here the plane, and now we can execute the trajectory. And in the case that we want the real cut, we have to close the camera. Yeah. No. Yeah. Good. So now if you want, we can compare this hand guiding to the ABB one. So it will be only, we have to press this button on the controller and we can move this. So it's harder than the other one. So if you want to try, it moves like axis per axis. Some of you want. No. Yes, it moves like by axis.